Hey guys, this is Lyle No Hippie Barbecue. It is time for me to finally pick the winner of this BBQ Hippie giveaway. This giveaway went on a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. First of all, because I wanted to make sure everybody was back from Thanksgiving and things like that. And then after that, I just got a little bit busy, so I apologize for that. Just so everybody remembers what the giveaway is, we have the big BBQ Hippie coffee mug. We have the, this is where you put like a beer bottle in there. And then this top screws on to keep the beer bottle from falling out. So I don't know what this thing is called. Some kind of a koozie or something, but it's metal. We have the two BBQ Hippie hats. And then we have either the pink BBQ Hippie shirt as well as the orange BBQ Hippie shirt, depending on what your preference was in the comments below. Again, I apologize. Before I pick the winner of this giveaway, keep checking back on my channel. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for some of this Sabas marinade, and somewhere in this video I'm going to leave a link to a video or 2 or 3 or 5 where I actually use this Sabas marinade. This stuff is good to go right here. Everybody that's used it, I think, has been impressed. Without further ado, again, I apologize. Let's get in and see who the winner is. I'll be using the YouTube random comment picker. If you happen to be the winner, just email me your information at nohippiebarbecue@gmail.com. Anyway, let's pick this winner. Alright guys, let's see who wins this giveaway. So I'm going to paste our URL in. Tells us we have 118 unique comments. I'm going to come down here and click the start button. That should give us the winner. And it looks like the winner of this giveaway is my boy's wife, Christina Nakvi. Christina, I already know you and Mike. I'm going to go ahead and get that address from you and send that stuff out. Hopefully, we can get Mike rocking some of this BBQ Hippie gear in one of his videos. Anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.